The CDC says fully vaccinated people can travel freely as long as they remain masked on planes, buses, and trains. But as NBC4's Patrick Healy reports, it's still being determined how you will prove your vaccination status.
The power of vaccination to stop COVID. Both California and the CDC believing in it strongly enough to grant those vaccinated extra privileges. Starting April 15 in California, seated guests at entertainment venues will be allowed to gather in vaccinated-only sections without social distancing, though still masking. And for domestic travelers nationwide, the CDC sees no need for COVID testing nor quarantine on return. For international travel, the CDC notes your destination may require a test, and CDC does want you to get tested before and after your return, but no quarantine unless you're positive.
The science shows us that getting fully vaccinated allows you to do more things safely, and it's important for us to provide that guidance, even in the context of rising cases.
In agreement, California officials cited the CDC's earlier guidance on vaccination providing safety in group gatherings as support for permitting vaccinated-only sections, not only at sports events and concerts, but at private gatherings such as wedding receptions at hotels or other locations. This development came after Governor Newsom spoke in San Bernardino and was announced on a conference call. Senior advisor Dee Dee Myers said there's deliberate incentive here.
And we want to incentivize people to get the vaccine and to get it as soon as they can. So if they can return to some of their favorite activities because they're vaccinated, then hopefully a few more people will go and get vaccinated.
We'll look and see exactly how they want to do it. But it sounds like something that we could agree with.
Folks that have been fully vaccinated are certainly able to do more.
For now, LA County is still requesting returning travelers to quarantine. Dr. Davis said the county will update its guidance on travel on Monday. But to be clear, the big news here is that indoor events can resume again at fairly significant numbers. Let me give you a couple of examples. If it can be up to 35% of capacity if everyone has been vaccinated or passed a COVID test in the recent 3 days. That's in the orange tier. In the yellow tier, if you meet those requirements, the capacity rises to 50%. That's a lot of people in a place like Staples Center or the Forum. So the next question then is, how do you prove you've been vaccinated? Well, you can use your vaccination card for one thing. Companies are developing digital proofs, but the state of California made it clear today it does not intend to issue any kind of a vaccine passport. Reporting live, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.